special dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive.
Everyone, this is Karli Kalia, sophomore at IIIT Gwalior, India, and this is my task 1 for GSoC 2026 Liquid Galaxy. So as you can see over here, all the 3 rigs have been loaded successfully and are in sync with each other. The slaves are in sync with the master. So right here I have the data spaces app, and it successfully connects to the LG rig, and let's explore this app. So over here, once it loads, yes, we can see one of the bus routes present here. So was the 575th route. It takes us to that location, and the 3 rigs are loaded successfully in sync, and we can also orbit around, which is very smooth over here, and the camel is also being loaded correctly. It shows some information about the bus route, and if we want to explore the farms over here, it takes us to that particular farm, and the 3 rigs load together, and the camel also loads up. We can again see some of the information about it, and yeah, over here we can see the orbiting around as well. So right here we can have clear camel and logos, confirm. The camel drops and logos also go away and shut down. Thank you.
Your weakness? Perfect.
infinite power, infinite, infinite power, infinite, infinite power, 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 infinite, infinite, infinite power, infinite, infinite power, infinite, infinite power, 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 infinite power. Infinite power.
Hello, Team Liquid Galaxy. My name is Salesh Shukla. I am excited to participate in GSoC 2026 selection process. This is my submission for task 1. In this task, we have to set up a rig containing of 3 virtual machines. One is master and the other 2 are slaves. The master controls the slaves. Now, as you can see, as a result, the 3 screens are perfectly synchronized among each other. We have to connect the data space application with the master. I have connected it. Now we can visualize the pig farm data.
Infinite power.
On the right screen we can see the details of the farm and its batch number and year also. Similarly, we can see the sensor data.
Infinite power, infinite power, infinite.
If we select a sensor, its details will be seen on the right screen.
Infinite power.
And we can see also the logos of the Liquid Galaxy. Now similarly we can see the bus data. We can select the bus. We can see the details as others, and we can trail this part also. As you can see, it's trailing its path. Now if we have to clean everything, we just click on clean KML logos and everything will be removed. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Pawan More, a computer science undergrad from BJK Mumbai, and this is my task 1 submission for Google Summer of Code 2026. In this video, I'll demonstrate my Liquid Galaxy rig consisting of 3 virtual machines controlled by an Android emulator. So I'm using a Windows PC as my host machine with Oracle VirtualBox to run the virtual machines. Here you can see my 3 VMs that are configured according to the official Liquid Galaxy installation documentation. So I have 1 master and 2 slave machines. For networking, I have configured port forwarding. Now let me show the Liquid Galaxy rig in action. As you can see, all 3 virtual machines are running simultaneously, each displaying Google Earth with synchronized views across the screen. So the master machine controls the navigation and the slave machines follow accordingly, creating this immersive multi-screen panoramic experience that Liquid Galaxy is known for. For controller, I am using Android Studio with Pixel 7a emulator as specified in the task requirements. Now let's test the rig using Mark Data Spaces app. In connection settings, you can see that the app is connected successfully to the rig using my IP address. Now let me demonstrate the working of the app. Now when I click on Malaga buses, it navigates to that area. We can see balloons for all the different types of buses, and for a particular bus we can see the balloon along with the bus details. So next up I'll demonstrate the environmental sensors. These are all the sensors, and for a particular sensor it correctly shows the balloon and the details of that sensor. And finally the LiDAR pig farms. So it navigates to the pig farm area, and for a particular farm it goes to that point and the balloon is visible. So that's pretty much it for the Data Spaces app. I've also tested the compatibility of the rig with other Liquid Galaxy applications to ensure that the rig is fully functional. So just for instance, I'll quickly show with the Liquid Galaxy controller app. So it correctly goes towards the Eiffel Tower. Alright, so everything works as expected. The rig responds perfectly to all the applications. So yeah, that's pretty much it for task 1. Thank you so much for your time.
Hi, my name is Deepu. I am an undergraduate student at IIT Gandhinagar in Computer Science and Engineering. So here is my submission of task 1 of prerequisite tasks of the Liquid Galaxy. So here we can see that I have 3 virtual machines running, named LG1, LG3 and LG2, where LG1 is my master rig and LG2 and LG3 are my slave rigs. So I have opened this Pixel 7a mobile on Android Studio, where I have opened the Data Spaces app, and after going to settings we can connect to LG, which will connect this app to the master rig. So here we can see that it is connected successfully. So we can go to home and select buses. That will show the location of all the buses. So here we can see that all the 3 machines are in perfect sync. You can see that on selecting bus number 574, we can see that that's red, and we can see that the location around it, so we can start orbit around it. That will show us the location around it. So yeah, we can see that, and we can now start trail also. That shows the trail path of that bus. So we can move to sensors. So on selecting sensors, we have the list of sensors here also. So here we can go to sensor number 2, which is shown in red also here. So we can do orbit here also. That works fine. We can go to farms next. Let's select Soroka Farm 2024 and batch. Yeah, so we can see that the logo has came, and we can do orbit around it. Yeah, we can do orbit now. It also works fine. So let's go to settings and show the functionality of clean camel and logos. So here we can clean the camel, which will remove the images about that locations, and the logo can remove this logo. Yeah, so this works fine also. So here I have showed my task 1. I would like to contribute more to Liquid Galaxy. Thank you.